Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm here with the session on how to reduce the uh, back-end noise while you do the live stream and recording. So for that we have multiple methods. We can use OBS while YouTube live streaming, and you can even use the Prism Live Studio also to do that. Okay, and these things I'll be covering in the next session. But today I'll be focusing on how exactly you can reduce the backend noise while creating the content and doing the recording at the backend by using some of the tools like the Camtasia recording, and even at the backend by using all the tools, so Filmore and video editing tools. So that time, if you don't have the proper microphones and the headsets, uh, will be having a lot of noise. Okay, to avoid this all the noise and to suppress them completely, what exactly we could do? So that is what I'm going to cover today. So I'll be showing few of the hardwares. Okay, and also I'll take you through one of the best software also, which will automatically do these all the things by using the AI. So yeah, let's get started with this. We'll focus on NVIDIA Broadcast and few of the headset microphones as well, and we'll also test them and we'll see the results and we'll finalize it. Let's get started with this. I'm using the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 graphics card, and with respect to that, if you just search for NVIDIA Broadcast app, you just need to download this. Okay, so for sometimes if you just try to download it and try to install it, it will show you some of the errors. Sometimes it might show you that there is a display driver is not supported. Okay, it shows display driver need to be better than 572.62. We should have it. So in that case, what you can do is you can download the NVIDIA GeForce app. You can see this is the drivers which it was asking while I was trying to download that uh, NVIDIA Broadcast. It was showing me that I need to have the display driver with 572.61. So what I did is I directly went ahead with the NVIDIA app for PC. Just go here and then just download this NVIDIA app download. Okay, once you do that, you could see on the screen I'm having the NVIDIA app. It will open like this, and then you can just go to drivers, and you could see here GeForce game ready display driver. I'm having it. So if we have the display driver better than 572.67 is supported for NVIDIA Broadcast. So once you download and install this particular display driver, you can directly go to the NVIDIA Broadcast and you can simply download it. You can simply go to home and there is NVIDIA Broadcast. Once you download it, you can just install it from here only. So once you open it, this is how it is going to show you. So you can just configure the microphone which you have it. So I'm having the headset and AM-C45 as a device, and noise removal and the room echo removal I have just activated for the speaker as well as the microphone. Once you do that, you can simply minimize it and you can start recording your sessions on uh, any of the recording tools. Okay, here I'm just testing EPOS adapt my headset which I'm using it. At the back end there is a fan which is running, and also some background noises also I try to implement it here. There should be a lot of noise. Here I'm testing the microphone, that is audio array AM-C45 directly. Again, there will be slight background noise. I hope you can hear this. Okay, so this time I'm testing NVIDIA Broadcast app along with the AMC 45 microphone configured in it, and you could hear the voice clearly. They should be voice 95% completely reduced, right? You might not hear that kind of noise which we were seeing before in the direct AMC 45 microphone and the with the headset which I was using it. Yeah, I'll just run this for 5 seconds with the fan running at the back end. It is still running. Well, finally, to summarize, we had seen the EPOS Adapt headset, and we could observe a lot of noise at the back end. And we also tested the microphone AMC 45, which also tried to suppress the noise, but it is not up to the mark. And then we tried to use the software NVIDIA Broadcast, and along with that, we already set the default of AMC 45 mic. So the combination of two is outstanding. It is trying to reduce at least 99.9% of the background noise. Clearly, we could see that, and it is totally having the uphand comparing to the individual headset as well as the microphone. So I would recommend, if you have the graphics card, that you can even download the display drivers along with the NVIDIA Broadcast, so which will help you to completely eliminate the backend noise. Okay. And one more important thing, if you'd like to do the live YouTube streaming, for that we could use these two softwares which are completely free, that is OBS, Open Broadcast Software, and the Prism Live Studio. Okay, so here you can do all the modification. You can do the multiple screen sharing, and you can even modulate your voice and add the noise suppression, set up the mics or multiple microphones or the audio systems. If you have it, you can configure it. Okay, a lot of things you could do it here. Okay, so these all things you can do it by using these softwares, and I'll be covering this one in the next session. Well, that's all about this session. Thank you all, and see you in the next session.